In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call Google Pay customer care. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to reach a real support agent quickly and safely. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Payment Help Center. Look for the official Google site in the results. It should clearly reference Google's payments help. Avoid lookalike pages or third-party sites. Sticking to the official Help Center ensures you get accurate contact options. Once you're on the Help Center, select the page labeled Google Payment Center Help. This is the central hub for issues related to Google Pay, payments, and subscriptions, and it's where Google lists the most current ways to contact support. On that page, find and click Contact Us. Depending on your screen size, you might see it near the top or bottom, or you may need to open a help article first to reveal it. If you don't see it right away, use the site's search bar to locate Contact Us within the Payment Center help. Next, follow the guided prompts to narrow down your issue. You'll usually choose the product area, then select a topic like payments, charges, refunds, verification, or account access. These questions tailor the contact options you'll see. Tip: if you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially the one tied to your payment method or transaction, you'll typically get more relevant help. Also, available options can vary by your country and local hours. When you reach the contact options, choose whether you prefer call or chat. Chat keeps everything in your browser and can be handy for sharing screenshots. Calling is great if you want a direct conversation. Sometimes you'll see a button to request a call back, other times you'll see a number you can dial. If calling is unavailable at the moment, check back during posted business hours or try chat. If you choose to call, use the toll-free customer care number displayed on that contact page. Numbers can change and may differ by region, so always use the one shown there. Before you dial, have useful details ready: the email on your Google account, the approximate transaction date and amount, and any reference or transaction ID. Share only what's necessary. Never disclose full card numbers, passwords, or one-time codes. Support will not ask for those. That's it. Search for the Google Payment Help Center, open Google Payment Center Help, select Contact Us, follow the prompts, then pick Call or Chat, and connect with support. If this was helpful, follow along for more clear step-by-step guides.